So this is Norte do Mercado Almirante Lacerda. Almirante Lacerda is the red market. So this is going to be our target street right here. So right next to the red market. We're going to see if we can get in it as well, and we'll just show you what it looks like. There's a lot of shops right in here too. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So this one says Norte, which is the north of the red market. And I guess first we'll just go in. Like we'll just follow this a little bit in here. So it looks like people can eat right in here. And this would be the base of it. Check out those apartments there. We got some people eating here. We're gonna follow this like this. And then we're gonna go back. And the North Street, I think there's like two streets in here. I think this is another one right here next to the red market. So we're definitely gonna walk down that way, and I think we're gonna go into the market as well. And then this one is our target street. So we'll follow this all the way down. There's also some interesting stuff everywhere. Beautiful balconies. We're kind of closing down, so I should you can buy some clothing as well. So this will be the end of our street. There's all kinds of other stuff around here too that I would like to film. I'm kind of curious what's directly there, for example. And this is our market. So I guess what we're going to do is we'll capture the sign here. Norte. So that's where we're at. And we're going to walk into it. That's another wall right there of it. So yeah, this is much cleaner than the last time I was here. Much different look. And they're kind of closing up a little bit. We're just going to walk through it. I think you can also get food now and bring it upstairs. But we're gonna head out and try to capture this other street as well. Okay, so we have two streets here, the Norte and the Leste. So Leste, I believe, is east, I think. Weste is west and Leste is east. And Norte is north. So you can kind of see all the different places. With the red market all lit up as well, so it looks pretty cool. Lots of fresh fruits. There's the Mercado market entrance. So yeah, and I believe you can go up and bring food up to the top. But in this particular video, I'm just focusing on the street. All these fresh fruits. A little bit of flickering light, a little bit. Sometimes it captures the. It's really bright, really colorful. Here's the inside. Okay. And we're kind of lucky it's still open. Kind of surprised I haven't filmed this before. I have filmed it, but I was looking to see that same street name, if I had captured it or not, and I hadn't. So anyways, now it'll be officially labeled. So at least I filmed the streets around the red market. Let's kind of capture that. See how there's red market right there? That's what's around it. And we'll just look back and then we'll end our video. I've been showing you a little bit of another little slice of Macau. So yep, there you go. And this is what it looks like the next day, so I thought I'd come by. So at nighttime you got to see one taste of it, and now you get to see a little bit in the daytime. So there's a little bit more activity. There's the red market itself. I think at nighttime it's all lit up, it looks really nice. But we'll just add that at the end.